There are different methods of expressing this, but one of the methods that is quite often used is the concept of soil moisture tension. So soil moisture tension is kind of the opposite of soil moisture pressure. Below the level of the water table, the water has energy, it has the ability to move, it has a positive hydraulic pressure. Above the level of freestanding water, or above the level of the water table, water is not free to move unless some force is acting as a pulling force on it. Therefore, water is being held under tension. The drier the soil, the higher the tension under which that remaining water is being held. So soil moisture tension, also sometimes referred to as soil suction, is actually a negative value. Free water, exactly at the surface of the water table, would have a soil moisture tension value of 0. As we progress above the water table and water is being held there underneath a positive increasing pulling force, that soil moisture tension value would increase. That is to say, the value will become a larger negative number. The units on soil moisture tension most often used are atmospheres or bars. 1 atmosphere or bar of soil moisture tension is not a very high value, meaning that roots of plants can oftentimes withdraw water from the soil down to levels of minus 12 to minus 15 bars or atmospheres of soil moisture tension. We will be utilizing soil moisture tension and soil suction interchangeably during the remainder of this discussion. So if I utilize either of those terms, I will be referring to the force with which the soil particles are exerting on the remaining water in the soil. As that number becomes a larger negative number, that will be indicative of a lower soil moisture content. As I indicated earlier, soil particles are not the only force of attraction being exerted on the moisture that's being held in that soil. And to fully understand the concept of soil water retention, we need to look at it from a different standpoint. And that standpoint is going to be the concept of energy and soil water. In your reading assignment in your textbook, there is a section called Energy and Soil Water Concepts. I would ask you to refer to that and read that particular section before you listen to this segment of the tape. There will be several new terms introduced in this segment. There will be a number of equations and symbols that are utilized to express soil moisture content on the concept of energy and soil water, and it'll be very helpful to you to at least have somewhat familiarized with this terminology prior to the time you watch this next segment of the tape. Thank you.